His and hers mirrors don't get much better than the Quadstar 2 mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. Best installed horizontally, the Quadstar 2 mirror features 12-volt LED lights and a transformer, casting a warm glow through the sandblasted stars that run vertically down the mirror, all activated by a built-in touch sensor. To ensure optimal performance and safety, the Quadstar 2 mirror has a demister function, comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, offering crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Quadstar 2 carries the Live Green logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. The Quadstar 2 mirror certainly draws an illuminating line for those couples that appreciate the need for their own time and space.